Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how you can make $100 in minimum of 7 days with Adsterra. Before I proceed, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button under this video and turn on the alarm bell to receive notification of new video from 𝗕𝗵𝗵𝗶. If you have done so, let's get on the process. Adsterra is one of the best global advertising and CPA affiliate network. Adsterra has the best CPM and good customer care support. I have been using them for a long time now, and there is no fault in any way with their service. You can make money from Adsterra as website owner and even you don't have a website. All you need is your smartphone and strategy to get traffic. Why I like Adsterra is, they have high CPM. They pay automatically into your wallet once you reach the payment threshold. If they didn't pay you on the 1st or 2nd of the month, then you will get paid on 16th or 17th. They have 24/7 support services, which shows they're caring for the customer. If you want to know more about Adsterra, kindly visit their website at www.adsterra.com. Now let me show you how to make $100 on Adsterra without having website, in minimum of 7 days. Check out the registration link under this video description to register a new account. You are to register as a publisher. Input your details in the following boxes to register yourself. After you've submitted your details, go into your email and click the Adsterra verification link, and verify your account. The good thing about Adsterra is also their fast approval. It takes less than a minute, you do not have to wait the whole day like other networks. Let me log in my account and show you the steps to make $100 in 7 days. Here is the Astera Dashboard. On this page they give updates about their new improvements or change in their services. If you are a website owner, go to the website's dashboard. Click on Add New Website. And follow the Adsterra guide to place the codes on your website. I'm not going to that site today. Just want to show you how to make $100. Whether you have website or you don't have, these steps is for you. Click on direct link. Click on add new link. Select the category you want. Uncheck the erotic ads, so you can have high CPM. Now that you have your link, the next step now is to drive traffic to your link. This process is, if you can do it, you can get it. Ways that I'm using to get traffic and referrals is through Telegram bots and apps. I'm using Doge Bots, Krypto Bots, AdClickers Bots, 𝗕𝗵𝗵𝗇 Bots. All these bots gives me more than 40,000 visits a day. And if you have other ways to share your links and have people click on it, you are still good at that. Other ways to get traffic and referrals is having your own Telegram bots and apps, which I will show you in my next video. How to create Telegram bots to get referrals or drive traffic to your links. After you've shared your link, go to statistics page to see how your links is doing and amount you've made. To set up your withdrawal option, firstly, go to Payments page to see Adsterra payment options. Also read their terms and procedures to avoid mistakes. To set your preferred payment option, go to Profile. Select your country. Select the currency you will like to get paid. Then choose from the pay system option. Here they have Webmoney, Paxum. The minimum withdrawal is $5. They have PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Tron. The minimum withdrawal is $100. And the last option is wire transfer with $1,000 minimum withdrawal. This is all about making $100 in 7 days. If you can promote your link, of course you will make more than that. Adsterra has the best CPM. Watch out for my next video. How to create Telegram bots to get traffic and referrals. I hope you enjoy this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.